Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. As you guys know, on this channel we explain the Telegram signals that we provide in our free groups as well as in our VIP groups. In this video, I will explain how you can take entries, how we provide trades, and the logic behind our signals. So let's start the video. If you want to join us, the link is available in the description, or you can also connect with us on Telegram at bbinary support. The link is in the description, and you can message us anytime. Now, let's begin with the first trade, which we provided in our VIP group. This trade was on ExxonMobil OTC on the call side. The logic behind this trade was that there was a clear support level and a strong uptrend. That's why we provided a signal for the upside move, and this trade resulted in a clear win. So, we won our first trade. Next, let's move on to the second trade, which was on McDonald OTC for the downside move. The logic behind this trade was that there was a clear downtrend, and the moving average was also acting as resistance. That's why we provided a sell signal from the moving average. As you can see, the candle took rejection from the moving average and moved in our favor, and we won our second trade. Now, let's move on to another trade that we provided on Boeing OTC for the downside move. The logic behind this trade was that two bearish candles were formed, followed by two green candles that showed weakness for a downside move. That's why we provided a sell signal. Initially, the price did not move in our favor, but after reacting from the moving average, the price moved downward. We took the entry near the moving average and successfully won this trade as well. Next, let's move on to the final trade, which was on ADC for the downside move. The logic behind this trade was a clear downtrend along with the moving average. The previous green candle was taking rejection from the moving average, which confirmed our setup. That's why we provided a sell signal, and we won this trade as well. This is how we provide our signals, and all of these trades were non-martingale trades. In this session, we won 4 martingale signals. If you want to join us, the link is available in the description, and you can also message us on Telegram. This was our free group as well. You can join our free group, the link is in the description. In the free group, we also provide signals for our members, and those trades are also non-martingale. If you gained any knowledge from this video and liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any suggestions or questions, feel free to comment below. And if you want to join us, click the link in the description and join us now. Till then, see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.